Okay, welcome guys to Realmeltan. So you can see we have a big guy over here. This guy was traded into Typhoon Systems, contained a 6700K and a 1080 Ti. All is said well and good, but it comes to a price. Cat fur! So much cat fur! Alright guys, so in order to get rid of all this cat fur, Opolar has sent us a portable vacuum cleaner. I am not sure how this guy will actually perform in cleaning up 100% of all the fur that you see here, but I hope we can get at least 60-70% of what's inside. Just a bit on the vacuum cleaner. This is the Opolar TAD05. You have the main suction here as well as the mini one over here. Yeah, I think this is very good for the very small corners. We're going to have a lot of small corners in the PC. The power button here. We're going to show you how loud actually and how powerful it is a little. So it comes with a small brush, a much bigger one. And interestingly, it comes with its own USB cable because this guy you charge using USB. So it's pretty good because we can foresee that car owners who want to use this for their car because they can plug into their USB port in the car and start charging it and use it anytime they want. If you guys want to buy that, you can let me know, or maybe I'll include the affiliate link. You can get your own Opolar duster vacuum cleaner using my link. Yeah, I think it works pretty well with PC rigs, just not very sure with cat fur. But anyway, we're going to give this guy a thorough test run.
We're going to see who wins, the vacuum cleaner or the cat.
Yeah, if you have not done so, make sure to smash the subscribe button and the 100% bell if you want to see us even hook up with new stuff and probably send it to a new customer. So make sure to come back to that. Cat fur is flying around. Let's clean it up soon.
Okay, so first off, there's a couple of components inside here that we're going to take note of. One is of course the GPU, because that's probably by now the most valuable thing inside here. Then we have the motherboard, the CPU, the AIO, the RAM. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to strip everything out. A couple of things that I'm confirmed not going to try to clean up, I'm just going to scrap them, is the AIO. Because when I accepted the trade-in, I noticed that this AIO was making clinking sounds from the... Oops, I should not have pressed that. Anyway, back to the story. So we'll probably have to replace that. You may have also noticed by now that the power supply is missing. Yeah, that's because the power supply has been taken by the owner for his new PC. Without further ado, let's get down to work. What the f***? There's a golden bug here! It's like a very desiccated golden looking bug. Oh my god, where the hell did this guy come from? Let's see if I can get him out. Yeah, we have a golden bug.
This is a very furry
It's a pellet GTX 1080 Ti
furry edition.
Super Jetstream Neko Mini Dust Ball Edition. GPU is likely out of warranty already. Not really gonna matter whether I void the warranty by breaking the seal or anything like that, but you know what, I might as well take this opportunity to dismantle this 1080 Ti. Maybe give it some fresh thermal paste while we are at it.
Okay, so yeah, you can see right now how much cleaner this guy looks. It's black. We now realize the Factor Design case is actually
It's
black.
actually black. No, it smells better too. Because I accidentally used the hand wash. My admin clerk is gonna kill me on
But
Monday.
no, but actually that's a really good idea. I would say if you like your PC to smell nice before you assemble a PC, wipe it down with some hand wash first.
Yeah, but on a positive note, the hand wash actually kind of helped to clear some of the cat smell that was previously inside here.
And besides that, the Opolar vacuum cleaner did a great job.
Yes, it did. Very good job actually.
Yeah, 80% of the cat fur I think was removed via the
But
vacuum cleaner.
the remaining 10-20% was done by the wet wipe and all that.
This is part 1. Part 2, we are going to put in some components and jazz it up with how it actually looked like before the cat came in.
Yes.
Okay, before I go sneeze all the cat fur. Oh wait. Okay, probably need to wipe this down again.
Yeah.
I hope you are entertained. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Write down in the comments, do you think it's worth all the effort to clean up this cat fur?
Personally, I would have just given the guy a new case, but whatever.
Come back to our channel for part 2 where we jazz up this PC. Thank you, Gordon, for all your hard work.
Yeah, definitely was a lot of work.
Yeah, goodbye.